Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Prop Hunt on PC. First, launch your game and navigate to the multiplayer menu. Look for the playlist options and select Prop Hunt to join a match. It is usually listed under Party Games. This mode assigns you to one of two teams, Props or Hunters. Props must expertly blend into the environment, while Hunters have a limited time to discover every hidden object before the round ends. As a prop, your primary goal is to become one with your surroundings. Select an object that naturally fits the map's decor, perhaps something small like a trash can or a stack of tires. Try to hide in unusual places, perhaps high up or behind other larger static objects. Remember to use your decoy ability wisely to create distractions. Activate it when hunters are nearby to throw them off your scent. When playing as a hunter, a methodical approach is key to success. Start by dividing the map into sections and thoroughly check each one, leaving no stone unturned. Listen for the subtle sound cues props make, like their intermittent squeaks, which are a dead giveaway. Always be vigilant for any objects that seem out of place, perhaps too perfectly aligned or appearing in an unusual location. To elevate your prop hunt experience, invest time in learning the intricacies of each map. Knowing common hiding spots and effective search routes will significantly boost your performance. Always communicate with your teammates, calling out suspicious objects or confirming cleared areas. Remember, this mode is all about creative thinking and having fun. Enjoy experimenting with various tactics and perfecting your prop or hunter skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.